Hello and welcome to the IBM series presented by the Center of Excellence team at Royal Cyber. In this video, we will share with you the journey of working closely with an e-commerce company to address a common challenge, enhancing product recommendations through data analysis, specifically the task involving analyzing customer browsing history, purchasing behavior and feedback over the past 30 to 60 days to improvise these recommendations. Royal Cyber successfully provided a solution which is a combination of IBM Watson and API Connect. IBM Watson AI tool integrate smoothly with IBM API Connect. Using API Connect, Royal Cyber manage browsing history, purchases, and feedback. Then Watson analyzes this data to craft personalized recommendations and categorize feedback sentiment for intelligent responses. Now let's discuss what is API Connect and IBM Watson. API Connect is a tool that enables organizations to create, secure, and monitor APIs. It can integrate with various software systems. On the other hand, IBM Watson is a product of AI technologies that analyze data, understand human language, and solve complex problems across different industries. So, what's IBM Watson provides? Royal Cyber implemented IBM Watson personalized recommendation features to suggest personalized options based on user preference and past activities. Additionally, we utilized Watson intelligent decision making capabilities to analyze data and understand sentiments, which improved the decision making process. So now let's discuss the step-by-step process. First, we integrate IBM Watson with API Connect for smooth communication. Next, we gather customer data through browsing history, recent purchases, and feedback. Then we let Watson analyze this data to uncover valuable patterns. Using those patterns, we create personalized suggestions for users and adjust based on sentiments. We check if customers are happy with our suggestions. After that, we efficiently link recommendations with the e commerce platform. Lastly, we keep improving based on feedback, browsing, and purchases. Now I'm going to explain the workflow. At the client side application, like an e commerce platform, we capture user interactions such as browsing clicks and feedback. This data, including sentiments, is then sent to API Connect. API Connect validates and forwards the process data to IBM Watson through an API call for recommendations. IBM Watson analyzes the data and sentiments, generating personalized recommendations based on both user behavior and sentiment information. The recommendations are then sent back to API Connect. Optionally, the data can be stored in a database for backup. API Connect forwards the recommendations to the client side application, which dynamically updates the user interface with personalized product recommendations. Now, create API and in API Connect. To create the API in API Connect, we log in and start a new project providing basic details like name and description. Within this project, we define two main endpoints, one for receiving customer data, another for returning personalized product recommendations. The first endpoint handles incoming data, while the second processes this data to generate product recommendations. Implementation of API in API Connect. We implement logic for each endpoint to send customer data for analysis. Then we implement error handling and manages issues with the recommendations engine. Then we implement the transformation of data. API Connect transforms incoming request for the recommendation engine. Implemented security by API keys or auth tokens to secure the API and customer data. We test API endpoints using tools like Postman. We document API details for developers' understanding. The API is published for client application use. Integration of API Connect with IBM Watson. Now integrate API Connect with IBM Watson AI services. Test the integrated API to ensure accurate processing of customer data and personalized recommendations. Then deploy the API configuration in API Connect to the production environment, enabling personalized product recommendations on the e-commerce platform. We can monitor API performance to ensure relevant and useful recommendations to customers. We can regularly update the integration to incorporate improvements or changes in the recommendation engine or business requirements. We can update the integration regularly to improve the recommendation engine or meet changing business needs. That brings us to the end of today's topic. Thank you for watching this episode of IBM series. If you have any questions or need help in implementing this in your project, drop us an email at info@royalcyber.com and we would be happy to help. And do let us know what topic would you like to learn in the upcoming episodes in the comment section down below. Finally, hit the bell icon to subscribe to the channel to get more such exciting videos directly in your inbox. If you haven't done yet, thank you for watching and stay safe.